Hi everyone, this series is going to be called Budgies for Dummies, and no, it is not to say that you or I are not very smart and capable. However, we have all encountered the know-it-alls, the people who try to explain a simple topic very complicated, and then there are in fact complicated topics that could be explained a little simpler. So that is why I have created this series. You will see that the first part of the title will be Budgie for Dummies, and then the second part will be whatever it is about. So like this video is going to say introduction, the next one will say anatomy of the budgie or something along that line. So I hope that this is going to help keep all of us to healthier, happier budgies for both pets and if you are trying to get into raising budgies. So each video should be around 5 minutes, a little bit more depending on the video, but most of the time around 5 minutes, that's the goal. You can feel free to comment and ask for specific topics, and I can try to cover those. And I will try to give you a clue as to which the next video is going to be. Like the next video in this series is going to be about the budgie anatomy. And then from there we'll keep going. Like I said, make sure you subscribe so that you can get all of the updates for each one in the series. But this is going to be really helpful for those of you who are new to the budgies, and also for just learning a little bit more in depth, because it can get really complicated really quickly, but there are simpler ways to put it. So thank you, have an amazing day. Make sure that you subscribe, that you like our videos, and that you comment, because it helps us to keep going. And lastly, if you would love to help support the birds, this channel puts a lot of time and money into our birds and being able to provide you with helpful information and useful information, and so you can enjoy our birds, especially for those who can't have their own. We will be putting a link in the description below of a way if you would like to donate even some treats for the birds, if you would like to donate some seed for the birds or what have you. It would be an area that you can do so. And then if you do, we will make sure that we show what you guys are getting, what the birds are getting, so that everybody knows that the birds are getting all of their goodies. So make sure that you do like, subscribe, and comment so that we can keep our channel going. Thank you and have a blessed day.